Well, the verdict was something that many here were expecting in the sense that it is 10 years more than what the guidelines were saying in the state of Minnesota for a second-degree unintentional murder. Usually, it would have been 12 and a half years. The judge decided on 22 and a half years, and he said why he decided to add those 10 years to the state guidelines. He said that it was because of aggravating factors. Now, remember, the prosecution had asked for 30 years. The defense had asked for time served and probation, meaning that Derek Chauvin should have been able to walk out free. The judge decided to go closer to what the prosecution was asking for, and those aggravating factors, he had agreed to 4 of the aggravating factors, but when he gave out the sentencing, he focused on 2 of those aggravating factors. One was the particular cruelty in which Derek Chauvin acted when he murdered George Floyd. The other one was abuse of trust and authority as a police officer committing that crime, and that is why he decided to add those 10 years. What does it mean going forward? Well, Derek Chauvin and his lawyer are likely going to appeal this sentence, so that could happen in the coming weeks and months. The other thing to know is that in the state of Minnesota, people who are convicted and sentenced serve out usually about 2/3 of their sentence, and then they are eligible to be released on probation, which is likely what will happen if the sentencing stands on appeal.